Hi everyone, this is Kimberly Dixon with Joyful Living with Kimberly Dixon. You all know that as a life coach, a speaker, and an author, I'm about finding joy in all of my experiences. As such, I am a hiker, a camper, and a fisherman. Well, a fisherwoman. So tonight I am here to do an unboxing for the Plusinno Kids Fishing Pole. So let's see what all we have here in the box. Got my handy dandy little knife to see. And I don't do anything as you should properly, so don't try this at home, kids. Be sure that if you are opening this for a child, that you handle all the getting into the box and things of that nature. See, we got lots of packing and paper and a lot of bubble cushioning. We'll just toss that down there. So again, this is for a child, so I'm interested to see how good it is, honestly, because I oftentimes camp and fish with my nephew. So, oh, I really like that it comes with this little carrying case to put all the supplies in, and it's really cute. It's nice color blue and the yellow trim. Yellow is my favorite color. Well, one of my favorite colors. Red is my absolute favorite. So we've got a little toolbox. Again, this is for a child. So it's for that beginning fisherman in your life. Let's see what we have here. Okay. So here's the little bell that you attach to your pole so that you know when you're getting a bite. I love these. I think they're so cute. We actually have a special use for these when we're camping with my nephew. He'll be 3 in a few months. We put a couple of these on him so that we can keep track of him when he's running around the campsite. Works out perfectly. It alerts you of when you have fish and when you have a child. And let's see, got lots of a little kit full of lots of things that the beginning fisherman will need to get started. You've got the swivels and the swivel connectors. I don't know if you can see it, how well you can see it, but the little connector, swivel and the connector. Every fisherman needs some of those. And if I can get in this, I can see what it is, but my thumbs, I feel like I'm all thumbs. I can't get into the packaging. And got the jelly soft lures. Those are green. But then there's also a packet of some soft lures that are red. That'll be good for, the bright colors are good for attracting fish. So they're the red ones. So you got the green ones and the red ones. You have a little bobber to float on top of the water. Now this is nice. I love bass fishing with these. So this is a really nice hard lure with the double hooks on it. So this is really be really good to fish, to teach a child how to bass fish. And I could be wrong because, guys, I'm not an expert fisherman. I enjoy the activity. So I'm still learning some of the things myself. And here's some hooks. And these are real hooks. Well, that was a hook. The little hooks. And I don't know what this is. Oh, the bobber stoppers. This is a bobber stopper. It's a couple of those in there. It looks like 3 of those. You had 2 of the little hooks with the things on the top of them. I don't know what they are, but those are hooks as well. And then you have 4 of the hard hooks. So a couple of those. And this is a looks like a weight of some type, but I'm not really sure. But it looks like a line weight. It's 2 of those. This is actually a really nice little kit to more swivels and the connectors and beads. Now, I know what beads are. I don't exactly know what you do with them. So, lots of beads in here that we use. So, that's all of that. Let's see what else is in the bag. I'm just going to scoot all of that stuff to the side. And here is the fisherman. Oh, it's really nice because it has a place to... Oh, and that's a bobber. Another bobber that wasn't actually in the kit. And a thank you card. It's always nice to good to say thank you. And this is your spinner. I like this. I like this color. This is the spinner and the line that's inside. And everything securely attaches with Velcro, and it's got extra pockets and things inside of the bag. So this is really nice. I like this kit, and comes with this protective covering over the. How do you get in this? Oh, there you go. To protect the rod. This is packaged well, and I really like this. So this is the rod itself. But it's retractable so that you can easily carry it in the case. And it's the perfect size for your little one. Somebody probably maybe 5 and under, maybe a little older, but it's not for a very big child. But this is a perfect beginning rod for a kid. This is the 120 GR30, the 60. I don't know what that really means though. And it's orange. I know it comes in a couple of different colors, but I got the orange one. I thought this would be perfect for my nephew because he's always camping with us. We don't usually camp at this time of year, though, because it's cold here. Really cold. But the rod extends out. So you got a nice size rod here that any child would enjoy. So I'm going to put that back down. I wonder if you could... use it with it not extended completely. But guys, I actually love this rod. I wish I had it in an adult size. I might have to check it out. But I actually got this for I'm tearing up stuff. I hit the light over the dining table. But I'm going to give this to my nephew. So I know he's going to love this. I love it. I love the color, and we'll attach the spinner to it so that he can use it and start using some real fishing gear so that he can become an expert fisherman like his brothers and father is. I'm not an expert yet, but I enjoy fishing. It is part of what brings me joy, being outside, being in nature. And this is gonna enhance my nephew's experience. And I'm gonna actually go onto the site and see what I can find for me, because I like this. I love this kit. It's like, sometimes you buy things online and what you get is okay. And this was very economical, so it's an excellent deal. So guys, go out there on Amazon.com and get the Plusinno. That is it's Plusinno kids fishing pole. It's a great little kit. Has this little convenient toolbox and all the tools that they need to get started with their fishing adventure. So I will talk to you soon, and maybe the next time you see me, we'll be on the bank. I'll be on the bank showing my nephew how to use his new rod. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. I love you. Thank you for watching Joyful Living.